What's the meaning of body bag? Body bag. Body bag.
Body bag. Body bag. The term body bag refers to a type of bag used to transport deceased individuals. These bags are typically made of a durable material, such as vinyl or nylon, and are sealed to prevent any leaking or contamination. The use of body bags is common in emergency situations, such as natural disasters or mass casualty incidents, where a large number of fatalities have occurred and transportation of bodies is necessary. Overall, the purpose of a body bag is to ensure the safe and respectful handling of deceased individuals during transportation.